When installing 3M Scotchgard paint protection film with pre-cut pattern, make sure to match the right pattern for the right vehicle. Using 3M Pattern and Solution Center program, choose your library, then make and model of the vehicle. Once you have your data selected, then program will search throughout the library. Choose your selection and open the pattern kit in the program software. And now you are ready to cut. Before you load 3M Scotchgard Pro Series onto the plotter, remove a cap sheet from the film and then load the material for plotting. Double check the pattern you have selected and choose one of the wrap options. Hit enter and let the plotter do the final cut. Spray your peel board or any clean surface that you can place the pre-cut pattern to weed out the excess material. Some installers prefer to trim the liner as well for better handling of the film. And now you can use your cutting knife and cut the liner off on the board. Trim all the sides off. And one more thing, peel out your cutout emblem. Roll the film from side to side and you're ready for installation. Remember to prepare the vehicle. And the last final step, with slip solution, clean the surface before application. Using a turbo squeegee, wipe the water off with overlapping strokes. Once the surface is clean, spray again with slip solution and make sure you don't leave any dry spots. Unroll 10 cm of the film from the roll and place it temporarily on one edge. Remove rest of the liner and respray each side with slip solution. For this pre-cut pattern, we will use a center-out installation method using this guideline as follows. First, position your center registration point around the emblem and lock it down. Next, align one side with the edge of the hood and squeegee the slip solution center out with overlapping strokes. Repeat the same thing on the other side of the hood. After you are done with the top, open the hood and flush out the soap with tack solution. You can also use a steamer to speed up the process of edge sealing. Wrap the film around the edges and finish it with a dry microfiber towel. Close the hood and wipe the whole surface for final inspection. This is how you can install 3M Scotchgard Pro Series paint protection film.